What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a 2020 rear diffuser on my 10th gen Civic. I have a 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. I'm going to try to show you how to install it. We'll see what happens. Here it is. Just picked it up from the Honda dealership today. Alright, so there's one there, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be a total of 6 clips under here. Then I think we just gotta pop that off. Let's get to it. These things are a bitch. That was easier. So what we want to do with the screwdriver is pry it out a little bit and then get the new nose, get it in there and just pull it down. 2, 4 more. Take my hat off. Called me. There's the 6 clips. Now I'm gonna try to pull this going off real quick. Save it all just on snaps. Looks like there's more clips. Look. There's 2 more. Probably on each side, I would say. 2 more clips right there. Probably on both sides. And we'll see if they're the last 2 to get out. So we got a total of 8 clips now. Now it's time to pull it off. this shit was a bitch. There was 2 clips here. 2. They were placed under there. They're like impossible to get to. But I got them off. Used a screwdriver, popped it out. And you just simply move this back and pull it down. Total of 10 clips. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. My bad, total of 12 clips. Here's the diffuser. Do a comparison. (2018) Civic Hatchback Sport diffuser off. 2020 on. She looks amazing. The hardest part about this was there was these clips. 2 of them are right here, 1 here, 1 there. I would recommend taking your bumper off to do all this, but it is doable with the bumper on. I just pushed the screw right here as hard as I can until the whole thing popped off. Luckily none of them broke. I didn't reinstall them, so hopefully it holds up. It is on there pretty sturdy. Look. It's not moving. Lines up perfectly. Looks amazing. Just gotta put that white pinstripe back on it. Then she's good to go. Now it's time to install the pinstripe on it. Let's do it. Gotta match it with the rest of the car. All done. Yeah, shit. Final project of the 2020 diffuser. Got it all taped up and straight. Don't be jocking my idea now, bruh. I like it. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Just passed 750 subscribers. On my way to 1,000. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe if you like it. Thanks.